To put it simply, ethics is a practice of choosing integrity over convenience, acting as a moral compass that guides students towards becoming a person of value rather than just a person of high marks. In the daily life, a student ethics vital because it important to educate experience from a more pursuit of diploma than training ground of character. It ensures that your achievements are authentic and your reputation your most valuable professional. Professional asset remains and by practicing honesty in your assignments. Moral muscle memory making it easier to handle high, high stake. Ultimately, ethics is the social contact that keeps the academic community fair for everyone, proving that how you reach the finish line is just important as crossing it.